Okay, everybody, I've got probably about a 16-inch piece of 24 gauge copper wire. And we're gonna want to be able to put 2 wires up through there. So what we're doing is we're going to take our wire down through there. And we are going to use this for the bottom. And we're not doing anything up here right now. So what I'm going to do is take this, leave maybe an inch, and I'm going to turn that up like that. And we're going to start making a coil. We don't have to have that bead on there right this second, and I'm going to work it around. We're going to go around. I think silver wire would look better on this bead, but I don't have any that is 24 gauge. And we're just going to walk it around and keep on walking around until you've got probably a little bit more than 5/8 of an inch, because you want the bottom of the bead to sit on it. And this wire is soft, so we want to be gentle with it or we'll mar it up. I'm going to just keep walking around. Try not to, I know I've hit that wire a couple times with my pliers, but try not to hit the center wire. I mean, I don't think we need it, but I made this one other time and I didn't even film it. I mashed the button, but evidently I had mashed the button twice. So whenever I thought I was turning on the GoPro, I was actually turning it off. So we'll have us a coil, and it's going to look like this. So what I'm going to do is I want to take this one and take it over to the center. And then let's twist these together. Just a little bit. Might not need to, but figured it'd hold it better. Alright, now we've got our coil made. I need to make that a little bit tighter down here. Alright, now let's feed it through our bead. You probably could have taken 2 up through there. Yeah. This is what I want it to look like on the bottom. So then you can pull it a little bit and make it tight. So you've got your bottom, and it's cold, and you don't have any loose ends down there. So now we are going to let's see. So what I'm going to do is make a loop. Really needed thicker wire for this, but my bead hole is too little to run two pieces of thicker wire in, so we're just going to do like that. Make a little loop at the top. Generally, if you want to do this, you probably need to use thicker than 24 gauge with a bigger hole bead to do it like this and put 2 wires through it. You can fold it and get it to go, but now we'll take, I think I've got this might look better than the silver on that, since that is copper. And we'll just put one on. Just if you think your wire's too flimsy for this, use a bigger gauge wire. That way you don't break it. But since I'm making this one for me, I only kept a couple of the beads that I made, and you just twist it open and twist it back. Yeah, I only kept a couple of the beads I made, and that's one of them. That's just a simple little way to wrap a bead, and it doesn't take away from the bead. You can see it from all sides. I'm going to work on this idea a little bit more, and I wish I'd got the first one videoed, because it really it turned out good, and I don't even know where I put it. I think it's over there in my jewelry box. Okay. Lampwork bead wrapped in copper. There's another bead I made. Here, the funniest thing here. This is 1, 2. That's a bead, that's a bead, that's a bead, that's a bead, and that's a piece of another bead. But they split down the middle, so I make die-cut glass. And I thought, well, what's glass? I'll just lay it together and see what it makes. So I'm going to wire wrap that one in a minute, or in a little while. It's got kiln release on it, but you can't get it off. I might sand on it a little bit and see if I can get some of that off. But it'll be unique. Okay, thanks for watching. Didn't quite turn out the way I wanted it. I wanted it to be silver, but had to go with the softer metal. So, thanks for watching. Y'all take care out there, and I'll see you on the next one. Alright, bye-bye.